Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Assalamualaikum. Okay, we are from Group 11. Our case study for Pbl is rooftop photovoltaic system. My name is Cikgu Muhammad Imran bin Cikgu Mardi. Meeting number DE 21006. So for introduction, a photovoltaic system is made up of one or more solar panels, an inverter, and other electrical and mechanical components that use sunlight to generate power. The photovoltaic effect is a phenomenon that occurs when light from sun, called photons, falls into a solar panel and produces an electric current. So for problem statement, for this case study is obviously a high electrical cost that have to pay money by intention because of intensive use of power such as light, air conditioner, and some electronic equipment, also like cooling system and CCTV camera. The second problem statement is the usage of non-green energy. Because consuming power generated from limited fossil resources such as coal, oil, and natural gas has significant environmental repercussions. So by using the solar photovoltaic system, we can implementation the use of green energy.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Farah Najidah binti Norizal. So I will continue with goals and objectives. So our project goal is to reduce monthly bills on mutation campus by installing rooftop photovoltaic system for several blocks. And for our objective, we have two objectives, which the first one is to use alternative methods to consume electricity across the campus. And the second objective is to provide backup power source in campus building, as well as to maximize the renewable energy usage. So that's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum Doctor. My name is Pbl Eng.Management binti Zakaria. My thread number is 2000007. Now I will presenting our organizational chart. Our project manager is Muhammad Iqmal. Under him is team leader. HR team leader is me, Pbl Eng.Management. Marketing team leader is Farah Najidah. Finance team leader is Mahad Abdirrahman Ahmed. Our purchasing team leader is Muhammad Amirul Farid, and engineering team leader is Cikgu Muhammad Imran. We are also a member of a stakeholder in this project management. As for me, in our organization, I am executive. Farah Najidah is our marketing manager. Mahad Abdirrahman is our CFO. And Muhammad Amirul Farid is our procurement manager. And the last one is Cikgu Muhammad Imran is our quality engineer. There are also another stakeholder involved in our project management, such as a supplier, a contractor, another steering committee, and also sponsor. Next, I will pass to my member.
So for the project scope of this project, it's about to install the off-grid solar system with battery storage in mutation. This type of PV system is chosen in this project because it can save the cost of electrical bills for mutation, because it can charge up the electrical, because it can receiving the power from PV system and charge up the battery in the battery bank and use the electricity for free. Then it also will install with surge protection device in order to avoid it from the PV system from being damaged by lightning. And then the placement of this project is related with 4 buildings, which is Faculty of Electrical and Electronic Buildings, FKE Technology Complex, Library Tunku Tun Aminah, and also the FKMP Technology Complex.
Next is a communication plan. This is from the report. I took 4 points from it. There is communication, format, frequency, goal, participant, and in charge. The point number 1 is communication, kickoff meeting. The format is interactive presentation. The frequency is once at the start of the project. The goal is to introduce the team and the project review objective and management approach. The participant is project team, steering committee, and also stakeholders. In charge is project manager. The second one is task progress updates. In a short meeting, frequency is daily. The goal is to provide daily updates on project progress. The participant is project team and handled by project manager. The third one is a steering committee meeting, face-to-face meeting per weekly. The goal is to discuss on project status, risk, and budget. The participant is steering committee handled by project manager. And the last one is a postmortem meeting. It's a meeting with follow-up document at the end of the project. The goal is to discuss actionable takeaways based on what worked and what didn't. And the participant is project team, and the in charge is project manager. That's all for me. Thank you.
Next is about calculation for solar panel, for total solar panel. So this calculation is needed to justify the number of solar panel needed according to solar system size that is given. So as example, this question tells about 7 megawatt is the number of solar system size and the weightage of each panel is 600 watt. So the formula is number of solar system size divided by number of single weightage for single panel. So the number of solar system size is 7 megawatts. Then the number of single wattage for single panel is 600 watt. Then we divided, we will get 11,666.6 or 11,667 solar panel needed. So next is for calculation for solar panel for total solar panel for single building. So this calculation is used for finding the right panel, the total of panel that needed for single building. So example, the library Tengku Tun Aminah has an estimated about 21.3 kilowatt consumption per year. Then assuming a production ratio is 1.3 and the weightage for each panel is 600 watt. Then calculate the number of panel needed to install for library Tengku Tun Aminah. So estimation for electrical bill per year is 21.3 kilowatt and production ratio is about 1.3 and the weightage per panel is 600 watt. So the formula is kilowatt usage divided by production ratio and divided by weightage. So we insert all the value needed in the formula and the total we will get 27 panel only. The next one is about floor plan. So floor plan for this project is related with 4 different types of building, which is FKE Technology Complex, FKMP Technology Complex, Library Tengku Tun Aminah, and also building of Faculty of Electrical and Electronic. So in this floor plan, it shows the units of solar panel needed for building that will be installed with solar panel. So at FKE Technology Complex, it will be installed about 29 units of solar panel on the rooftop. Also, the FKMP Technology Complex, it also will be installed about 29 units of solar panel. So then about the library Tengku Tun Aminah, it will be used about 27 units of solar panel. And for building of Faculty of Electrical and Electronic, it will be used about 39 units of solar panel. These are the schematic diagram for PV system that is used in this project, which is off-grid solar system with battery storage. So the function of this the function of the PV system is start with a solar panel which is it absorbing the light from sunlight. Then it transferred to a charge controller, which is it used to limiting the current so to supply into the battery bank. Then the battery bank is used to receive the current from solar panel and store it before goes to another process. Then the second process is a low voltage disconnect, which is if flow to the LVD is to avoiding from the battery bank from being damaged. So the LVD will be protect the battery bank from over discharge. Then it also go to the standalone inverter, which is this is function for uh, converting from DC voltage into AC supply, AC voltage. Then it goes to a AC circuit.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Amirul Farid bin Mazaid, and my matrix number is CE210132. I'm going to present about costing. First thing first, in this project, there is manpower that contain project manager, project consultant, project coordinator, team leader, and technician. And this is the monthly salary for project manager. The salary is 6,000 ringgit. Project consultant 4,200 ringgit. Project coordinator 2,200 ringgit. Team leader 2,000 ringgit. And as technician 1,500 ringgit. And total for 1 month is 15,900 ringgit. And next, I'm gonna show costing for material. There is 6 material to do this project. And first thing first is solar panel. Second is battery bank. Third, charge controller. Fourth, inverter. Fifth, backup generator. And sixth is low voltage disconnect. And this is the price for per unit. For solar panel, 965 ringgit and 58 cents. Battery bank, 3,512 ringgit and 80 cents. Charge controller, 566 ringgit and 44 cents. For inverter, this is the most expensive one per unit, which is 8,782 ringgit. Backup generator, 6,520 ringgit and 64 cents. And for low voltage disconnect, this is the cheapest, which is 87 ringgit and 82 cents. The quantity for solar panel is 124. So the total price for solar panel is 119,731 and 92 cents. For battery bank, the quantity is 60 and the total price is for battery bank 210,768 ringgit. For charge controller, contain 4 quantity and the total is 22,265 ringgit and 76 cents. For inverter, 35,128 ringgit. For backup generator, 26,082 ringgit and 56 cents. And low voltage disconnect, 351 ringgit and 28 cents. And all of them need 4 quantity. And the total for all the material is 410,227 ringgit and 52 cents.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, Doctor. My name is Mahad Abdurrahman Ahmed. My matrix number is PE190022. Today I'm going to present it part of material. So this is a sum of devices that we can use our project. So the first one is an inverter. It's one of the most important pieces of equipment in a solar energy system. It's about electronic devices or circuitry that change direct current and direct current to alternate current. The second one is solar. Solar technology converts sunlight into electrical energy either through photovoltaic panels or through mirrors that concentrate solar radiation. This energy can be used to generate electricity or be stored in batteries or thermal storage. The third one is the off-grid solar system, also known as standalone power system. It generates electricity via solar panels, which is used to charge the solar battery with the help of charger. The last one is the battery. Battery is a device that stores a chemical energy and converts it to electrical energy. The chemical reaction in a battery involves the flow of electrons from one material to another through an external circuit. That's all for me. Thank you, Doctor.